Hi there, students. To beat a path, off the beaten track, off the beaten path, to beat a path, success will beat a path to your door. Okay, so what is the meaning of this word beat in this? Because this is the essence of it. To beat a path means that to make a path is made by walking over a piece of ground lots and lots of times. Or maybe you're trying to walk through the woods through a place where nobody has ever been. So you have to beat a path. You have to cut things down. You have to work out where to stand. And this is the idea. So the beaten path is where people have gone before. So if a place is off the beaten track, or off the beaten path, it means that this is a place where people don't normally go. So when I go to the beach, I like to find a beach that is off the beaten path, a beach where people generally don't go, where it's unusual to go. So when tourists come to London, they beat a path to the Houses of Parliament, to Westminster Abbey, for example. But they should try and find some places that are off the beaten path or off the beaten track. I don't know. Billingsgate Fish Market. Well, it would have to be the new one nowadays. Okay, so to beat a path to somebody's door. They say that if you work hard, then success will beat a path to your door. It will find a way of getting it. It will find the route. And this is the idea of to beat a path. Okay? When he became famous, all of the media outlets beat a path to his door because they wanted to talk to him. Okay, so somewhere that's off the beaten path is a secluded place, somebody which is not often visited. It's not widely known. Yeah, a little known, lesser known place. Yeah, okay, a destination that's off the beaten path. It's a place that people don't normally go. I know a really good restaurant that I would recommend to you, but it's off the beaten path. It's not the way most people go. Okay, so it's different. He wanted a career that was off the beaten path. He didn't want to become the typical lawyer or doctor or journalist, but he wanted to do something different, so something that was off the beaten track. And then if he made a success of it, people would beat a path to his door to find him. So, formality, to beat a path. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. I think it's slightly on the informal side. Use it in an informal conversation. I would use it in a semi-formal conversation as well. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but stop there. Nothing more formal than that. And, well, the origin, to beat, to bang, to clear a path that goes through, and if lots of people go along this way, then it becomes a beaten path. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The beaten path, off the beaten path. Success will beat a path to your door.